use as much runway as they give you. Even in this plane, we can take off and land on this runway, but take what they give you. Feet to the floor, lined up. We're moving. Airspeed's alive. We're at 40, 50. Stay on the center line, 55. Rotate. Little right rudder, 65. Push down a little, we want to be around 75. We're at 70. And we're airborne. I'm flying. 70. We're about 400 feet up. St. Charles traffic, 612, turning left crosswind, 36. It's been a week since I've been in one of these, so you want to get that first landing out of the way. Make sure you haven't forgot. Keep the blue side up. Okay, we're climbing good. It's a nice morning for this. We're already at altitude in 3, 2, 1. St. Charles traffic, 612, left downwind, 36. Hey, if you can hit the pattern by downwind, that's doing pretty good here. Okay, I'm gonna take out some power. Make sure.
RV 500 Romeo Victor is 11 miles north. That will be straight in for 18.
Okay, so we're at about 90. Let's kill some power. Okay, so now we're here in Cessna. That's nowhere near us. So we're midway through the runway. We're gonna wait till we're in a beam, then we'll hit the numbers. Right now we're at 1200, which is spot on. We're about 80, which is about where we want to That guy likes to talk. Okay. First notch of flaps, 85. That was Festus skydivers. Okay, so first notch of flaps. Let's start going down. One way or another, we're going to be on the ground pretty soon. St. Charles traffic, 612, left base, 36. Making sure our airspeed stays about where we want it. Hand on the throttle the whole time. There's our target. So we're still about 45. We got about the right altitude. Speed's at 75, which is about perfect. Key here is make sure you don't undershoot that runway. We want to take it a little wider than I have been. Second notch of flaps. I've been cutting them kind of short, so I want to cut it a little longer. Let's try this. St. Charles traffic, 612, final 36. Our speed got down around 60, so we need a little more speed. We're going to push down to get that speed. But now we're going to pull that power back. So we're a little fast, so we're going to pull. Stay off the mic, dude. Okay, we're at 70, so we're a little fast. We want 65. Use that rudder to line up the nose, keep us around 65. We're at 60. 5. We're looking good. Full power's pull. No more need for the power. Use that rudder, line us up. Just kind of float. And that was a nice landing.